Hi everyone, I'm Licinio Batista. I came here to show you the second video of my alternator. The first one I show you how to change or modify the rotor, and this one I'm gonna show you how to connect and modify the stator. We're gonna make of one alternator, we're gonna make two alternators. And if you like the videos, I hope you subscribe and share the video with your friends. And okay, let's see the video. Let's go. Now, like you know, all alternators have three phases, and normally they have two wires, which one phase? Two wires, the other two wires, the other two wires. And what we're gonna do, this is the start, this is the end. We separate the wires like this. We're gonna separate. We put down like this, like this. This is to show you how I did. And separate this one, this one, this one. Now we have 6 wires. We separate this one, we separate this one, and we separate this one. Now we're gonna do is with this, the voltmeter, we're gonna locate the wires and locate and isolate. Now we don't know which one. We touch this one, no, 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 this one. Now this one we put up, and this one we put up, this one down, this one down. Now we're going to the second. It can't be contact between the wires. Huh? Now this one, no, 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 is this one. Now we put this one up, this one up, this one down, and this one the same. Is this one. We put them up, this down, this up, and this down. What we have here, 2 alternators, 1 and 2. Now we separate the 2 alternators. Now we're gonna close in star the connection in star. This one, we connect this one like this in star, and going out these three of this one, it's out. And here we're gonna close or connect this one in star, and this one is out. Now we have two alternators, one alternator, two alternators. This one you can put him like motor, and this one in generator, or this one in motor, and this one in generator. We must isolate this one from this one. We can't have contact. We must isolate them. And that's it. It's simple like that. I'm going to explain one more time. This one we close. This one we close. This one going out. This one going out. This one, it's an alternator. This one, it's the second alternator. We can put this one in motor connection to the controller, or this one. If we put this one connected to the controller, this one is a generator. If you put connection with the controller, this one is the generator. It's simple like that. And I think I explained well. Sorry my English. And if you like, subscribe and share the video, and look my last video of free energy, and this one it's in my channel. This one of free energy, it's not a fake. When you do this, you're gonna see how you can charge one battery, how fast you can charge the battery. And you can connect this with a battery 36 volt and a controller of 36 volt, 350 watt. It's like this, just simple. Okay, see you next time. Bye.